to my channel. It's your girl Nakia J, and you are tuned into Key Physique TV. And as you guys can see by the title, your girl is looking a hot mess. .com, .net, .org, .edu, .gov. So if you guys saw my last video, I got my hair dyed for my birthday, and I got a blowout silk press, whatever you want to call it. But right now, sis we struggling because I've just been refusing to put heat on it. Yeah, I just look a hot mess. So the last time I got a blowout, I did a perm rod set. So I decided that since your girl is all colored and whatnot, we passed the wrap stage, so let's just go ahead and try another hairstyle. So last time I did it, I have 3 sizes of the perm rod. This is one of them. These are the same size. And then if I need to, I'll use a small one if I need to, but I don't think I'm gonna have to use a small one, so we're gonna see. The only other thing I'm using is a regular paddle brush and my Cream of Nature Argan Oil mousse. This is literally all I use for my perm rod sets. Do this, no water, no nothing. I just do it dry on my hair just like this. And I'm gonna sit under the dryer for like, well, you can air dry. If you want to do it and then like air dry overnight, you could do it that way. But I have somewhere to go tonight, so I'm about to do it, and then I'm gonna sit under the dryer for probably like 30 minutes, 45 minutes, however long I need for it to be dry. It's currently, what time is it? It's currently 1:07. I have to be there at 4, so we're gonna see if sis is dry in time, and hopefully I don't have to sit under the dryer for like an hour. I shouldn't have to. She'll be dry in time. So yeah, we about to get into it. We about to get started. Hopefully this should not take me forever, because yeah, I've gotten to the point now where these hairstyles are easier to do because my hair is longer, but at the same time, because my hair is longer, it takes a little bit longer to do them. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Make sure you hit that notification bell so you get all the tea when I drop a video. Let's get into it. Okay, other thing I forgot, make sure you have a hair tie or some type of clip or something. I got my little handy dandy child. She missing teeth and everything, but she gonna do the job for today. I love to start in the back. Also, you see I don't have a comb, child. Ain't nobody got time for all that. Use these fingers. Your parts don't have to be even at all, because sis, you literally just put in some hair. You just put in some hair into the perm rod. Okay, so I got my back section. This is what she looking like. Like I said, I don't worry about even parts and all of that. Take a little section of the back section, and then make sure I kind of like go over it one time without putting gel or anything, just to make sure, like, okay, is that a good size? Yeah, that's a pretty decent size. Because of course, after you put the mousse on it, your hair is gonna shrink up a little bit. This is all the mousse I use. Hold on. That's it. That's all I'm using. Don't have too much. Have enough just to coat it, because you want her to be a little hard. Because once you dry it, you know, mousse kind of makes your hair a little stiff, but you still want her to have some type of bounce. So put my mousse on there. I have my brush just in case these roots don't want to detangle like I need them to. Once I feel like she's good, I flatten it out like so. Take my perm rod, start at the end. I tuck it under And then I roll as tight as I can. Make sure I got all the hair in there. Take your top piece, wrap it around. Bada bing, bada boom. And that's it, y'all. That's it. So I'm about to do that to my whole head. Let's see how long it takes us.
Listen to my heart go ride, 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 do that. Da, 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 da. My heart go ride, ride, dee, da, da. It just won't stop. It go ride, 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 do that. Da, 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 da. My heart go ride, dee, da, da. It just won't stop. It go ride, 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 do that. Da, 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 da. My heart go ride, dee, da, da. It just won't stop. It go ride, 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 do that. Controlling my anxiety, feeling like I'm touching the ceiling. When I'm with you, I can't breathe. Boy, you do something to me. Ooh, no, I'll never get over you until I find.
So I'm all done with my perm rod set. I'm about to go sit under the dryer for like 20-30 minutes, and then I'm going to let it air dry for probably about 2 to 3 hours, and then I'm going to take it out and show you guys the finished product.
something new. They get me high like you do. Yeah. Ooh, I'll never get over you until I find something new. They get me high like you do. Yeah. Ooh, I'll never get over you until I find something new. They get me high like you do. Yeah. Ooh, I'll never get over you until I find something new. They get me high like you do. Listen to my heart go ride, 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 do da, 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 da. My heart go ride, go ride, ride, do da, da. It just won't stop. It go ride, 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 do da, 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 da. My heart go ride, ride, do da, da. It just won't stop. It go ride, 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 do da, 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 da. My heart go ride, ride, do da, da. It just won't stop. It go ride, 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 do da. Control my anxiety, feeling like I'm touching the ceiling. When I'm with you, I can't breathe. Boy, you do something to me. Ooh, no, I'll never get over you until I find something new that get me high like you do. Yeah.